guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I have a card for you using the Dashing Deer stamp set. I love this stamp set, and it makes the prettiest, I think, elegant cards. I'm sure you can make more whimsical cards with it, but I tend to go more elegant with this one, and I'll show you what I came up with. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, let's go ahead and do our stamping. I'm going to stamp Happiest Christmas Wishes. So I have a piece of very vanilla cardstock. And this is cut at 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. All right. And I have the Happiest Christmas Wishes here on my block. And I have Mossy Meadow Ink. So I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. And I want to get this right at the bottom. And I want it to be pretty straight. So line it up and stamp. Perfect. Happiest Christmas Wishes. And let me grab my Stampin' scrub, clean that off. All right, that is all clean. And I can put it back. And that's actually all the stamping for this card. And then I'm going to use the Detailed Deer Thinlits dies. They look like this. And I used this one right here. Close up my ink. Okay, so I used this one right here to cut out the deer, which I could have stamped it and cut it out. That fits that stamp right there. But I wanted to cut it out in a piece of Designer Series paper. And I grabbed paper from the Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper. So it's this, it's pretty peacock color and very vanilla on this side. And then on this side, it's the pretty peacock with the copper. And so I just ran it through my die cutting machine. I have a big shop, but whatever you have will work. And I cut out the deer. I always hold on to my scraps because you never know when you're going to need them. And in case you're wondering, I keep all of the Designer Series paper sets, see Brightly Gleaming, in these 12 by 12 paper folders. That way it's easy for me to pull them out. All right, so I cut out the deer and it looks just like this. Isn't that so cool? That's going to go on there. Let me throw this in here. All right, so I want to stick this in here with dimensionals. So let me go ahead and grab my dimensionals. I'm gonna go right there. I'm gonna put one up here, and then I need a mini dimensional. So let me grab out the minis because I want to put one up here by the antlers. There we go. And we'll go ahead and peel these off. 1, 2, and 3. And this guy is gonna go right here. Cute, right? And okay, let me put the card together before we finish it up. All right, so I'm starting with a card base of Mossy Meadow cardstock, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. All right, and my card's gonna open this way. Then I grabbed another piece of the Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper. So it looks like this on this side. Pretty, right? And then it's just the pretty peacock with some Night of Navy on this side. I'm actually using that even though I love this side. So let's go ahead and stick this on right like so. Then I have another piece of Mossy Meadow cardstock. And this one's cut at 3 by 5. And we're just going to go ahead and mount this right on top of that. Like so. Okay, and then we'll put this right on the card front. This is a very simple card, which I like. It's kind of what I've been all about lately, is simplifying. Okay, and then to finish it off, I grabbed this bronze, what are we calling this? We're calling this the copper trim, and I'm actually going to tie a bow. Okay, and I want to make it a lot smaller. So I'm going to pull it smaller. It's easy if you hold on to the knot and then pull. It's a lot easier with bows. There we go. For them not to, the loops not to twist around and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off. Okay, and I'm going to grab a mini glue dot right there in my center and kind of pinch it together. And he's going to go right around the neck of my reindeer. There we go. And that is my card. Happiest Christmas Wishes. Isn't that sweet? And here's one I did earlier. I love it. It's so pretty in real life too. It's nice and shiny. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. and that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.